guys from sunny Des Moines, Iowa. We left really late last night and I couldn't find the vlogging camera. So yeah, but anyways, we like traveled, how long? Like
5 hours.
Like 5 hours, so it's not super far, but we're on the road finally. Oh my god, it's so sunny. I need my sunglasses. We stayed at a hotel last night and now we're just grabbing coffee and ready to hit the road.
Well, Fab's driving currently for the first time during the whole trip. We were casually enjoying breakfast and then our property manager texted us that our 30 boxes are there and that we need to move them immediately. So we just called our friend in LA and asked him, Alex, and asked him if he can go over there and see the situation and grab our apartment key. So we were gonna go to the Grand Canyon. Now we are not because we simply do not have time for that. So we're gonna try to just crush it and drive overnight and see if we make it to LA. It says we'll get there at 9 a.m. On the Tesla app, but on the regular app it says 5 a.m. but you do have to charge a ton with the Tesla, so I don't know if that's factoring in the time difference, Fab said, or not, but 9 a.m. seems very difficult. But
we also had promised Milo going to the dog park in Denver. No, poor thing.
Yeah, there's no time for anything. Like, Fab can't even stop and pee.
Okay, that's excessive.
I just called the property manager at our new apartment and he said that UPS delivered the 30 boxes and they're outside of our apartment door. So it's like a little complex with like 30 apartments and we're on one of the top floors, and UPS must have taken the boxes right outside of our door, which is really inconvenient for people who live next to us because the boxes are probably blocking this shit, like the hallway and stuff. So.
Yeah. Hey, quick question. How do you turn the thing off without having to press on the brake?
Just put it up twice because it stays on cruise control. So yeah, we're in a minor panic, but it seems like it's gonna be okay.
Look at the pretty view though. Look, Chooch! Look at the mountains! Oh, that's cool. Like that, like, are those houses or resorts up there, you think?
Houses.
Or apartment complexes. We're just gonna save the Grand Canyon trip for a different time.
It's only 7 hours away, so it's like a fun weekend trip we can do.
Yeah.
We could probably go to the Grand Canyon, then drive back to Vegas and chill in Vegas for like a night.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fun.
Fab's scared to drive.
I'm not confident on the
I did these mountains in the middle of a snowstorm.
Okay, but you didn't do the auto steering.
I was alone. I couldn't see anything.
I'm not comfortable with the auto steering.
That's fine.
I don't want to do it.
Don't use it. There's a bison. Baby bison too. Tunnels scare the shit out of me. Like we're just driving inside of a mountain casually.
Wait, what? That's what that means?
Yeah, or underwater. I was saying, we have never experienced anything like this. Wait, we're at this bridge. No, sorry, a tunnel, and that's inside of this mountain. And it says stop, tunnel closed. So, I don't know, like, maybe snow fell down there and they gotta clean it. Or if there's an animal crossing or
also,
what.
like, how long are we gonna be here?
What if the car dies? What percentage are we at? 57.
We'll keep you updated. Okay, we're on the move. Okay. It only lasted like 3 minutes.
Oh, look. Oh, wait, no, that was 2 minutes.
Here we go.
Yeah, but why?
Oh, yeah, I wonder why. Good morning from Las Vegas. Woo! Milo loves Vegas!
He really does.
Milo, tell him how much we love it. He loves looking out this window, and I think he thinks it's our new home. It's really funny.
Everything's on wheels here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Even the couch? We're at the, what is it, the Virgin Hotel in Vegas. This is our room that we stayed in last night.
Really comfortable bed.
Really cute with the little couch over here. This like really pretty view. I think this is the 11th floor, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it has like this, oh, I just crashed into that. Has this like really cute vanity, and like chair, and, you know, the usual stuff, and then the mirror. And then right here it has like this like closet, but the door to the closet closes the bedroom. It's kind of cool. Nice little separation. But yeah, anyways, we're about to go maybe enjoy our free drink on the hotel and get some breakfast. Yeah, anyways.
We just stopped at this bagel place. Looks fire. Fab's inside. Pick a donut?
I just bought a cake.
She did just buy a cake.
What the heck?
We're gonna get a donut too.
Oh my god, these all look so good. Look at this new color.
Donut. Which one do you want? Fab's having
I'm
difficulties.
still here. It's literally been like 5 minutes. Okay, I might just try the. But if we're getting a bagel,
You can always eat it later
I have a
at the house.
Okay, I'm gonna try the.
We are now getting some delicious bagels.
And let's do.
Everything looks so good here. Pink box was awesome. It's like a New York style deli.
Yum. I'm speechless. We literally have just bought so much food and we're about to go eat it in the car.
A cake, 2 donuts, 2
No,
bagels.
we got more than we should give us free donuts.
Oh yeah, she gets a bunch of free little munchkins and stuff.
Oh my gosh, everything looks so good. Okay, so I got the Foxy Lady.
Dude, this looks
It has
insane.
salmon, cream cheese, capers. What did you get?
The classic something. It has literally 2 hash browns, bacon, 2 fried eggs, and literally has 2 brown patties in there.
I can't wait to try that. What do you think? I already took a bite of mine, and mine was really good too. Yum. Well, that was just absolutely divine. Loved it. 10 out of 10. What do you give it?
It was great. Everyone was really nice in there.
Let's
Customer
look at-
service, 10 out of 10.
There it is, in case you're wondering where
Over
what
here
it was
too, over
called.
here too. This up. That big
Oh,
sign.
there it is. 10 out of 10.
Oh, stop.
Someone joined the front seat.
He literally
Look at him.
did not care. He made his way over here.
It's really funny. It's okay because it's the last day. We're on our last little stretch here. We'll be there in about 4 hours.
Hopefully.
Maybe a little less.
We're 4 days in now.
Yes.
So it's our 4th day. We've spent 3 nights in hotels, which is okay because we had been sleeping on the floor of our apartment on a futon mattress because we shipped all of our stuff
Sunday.
Sunday. So
Today is now Saturday? No, today is Friday.
So our mattress and bed and stuff are in a pod, a U-box on the way to our house, but it won't get there until the 11th,
The 11th.
which is like 4 or 5 days from now.
Also, what was I gonna say? It's okay. Oh, we've been not dragging, but like really taking our time on the road trip, so that's why it's been taking 4 days.
You've been sleeping.
But obviously, if you're trying to be fast, obviously it would take you a lot less. I feel like it's a day and a half, maybe 2 days on a trip from Chicago to LA.
You don't want to be tired. You can probably do it in 3 days, solid.
Yeah.
But stopping and resting. If you're not gonna stop at all, like you're just gonna sleep at like truck stops and stuff, you can probably do it in 2 days,
Fast.
day and a half.
Also, we can't do that because we have Milo. We just like want him to be.
Sleeping in beds.
Yeah, and we've just been really tired. Also, we started really late on our very first day. We only went 5 hours. So that's kind of why we're at 4 days. But
We just wanted to get the trip started though, so.
yeah. Anyways,
Life is about just starting and putting that first foot forward, so that's what we did.
here's the view so far. So
That
this
was thirsty.
our big roll of
Is it water?
napkins. Smart.
Another car. Someone is exhausted from their first night in Vegas. We weren't even there 24 hours, dude. First bite of the, was it pink donuts? Pink.
Yeah, pink.
Let's see. Nutella something donut.
It's big. There's Nutella in there. Ooh, is it good?
It's pretty good.
What would you give it out of 10?
1 to 10, I give it.
I feel like you're not really liking it.
I give it a 9.
A 9? I can't tell on your face.
I can't tell either, to be honest. Here, try it. Oh, it's good. It is good. It is good. I like that's not overly sweet.
I like it. I see what you're saying. I feel like it's super like flaky.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, I just by myself. Yeah, it's not bad.
I do like that's not overly sweet. Because I don't like sweets. How's the passenger side been?
Crowded. But good. Milo sometimes comes up.
She drove for 10 minutes yesterday.
It was 30 minutes.
Okay,
and it was-
30 minutes.
It was like leaving Denver and I got the mountains.
It has been fun to like turn on Netflix
Oh yeah.
at certain stops.
I feel like the charging time feels a
Goes
lot,
by quicker.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the huge 50 stall Tesla charger outside of LA. There's a Dairy Queen, which is super clutch. Most of the cars have ice cream and are eating it while they charge. We made it.
Welcome to our new home. All of our boxes are in our common area. Can't wait to go through them. It is 10 p.m. and we just need to go out and get our essentials at the store.
Some milk for some lattes, some eggs to crack in the morning, some toilet paper
Yeah.
we
have
to wipe
some-
the booty.
What? What else? We'll give you guys a little tour tomorrow when it's a little more cleared out. It's looking a little messy, but this is what it looks like for now.
After 4 days, 3 nights, and thousands of miles, we are here.
Yay!
Milo's super excited too.